Hello again, welcome to FX View. So today's video is gonna be about the how to use the rectangle pattern. So the rectangle pattern is a classical technical analysis pattern described by horizontal lines showing significant support and resistance. It can be successfully traded by buying at the support and selling at the resistance, or by waiting for a breakout from the formation and using the measuring principle. So I'm gonna draw a rectangle here. Normally on a rectangle pattern you can spot a range move of the market, an horizontal range move like this one. So in this range, as you can see here, the price is ranging in the middle of this rectangle. The movements and the as you can see, the higher high is on a resistance and the lower low is on a support, and that's how we draw a rectangle. So I'm gonna draw quickly the support and resistance level here. As you can see, the rectangle is composed of a range price between a resistance and a support level, and when we see the price breaks out, that's our entry. As you can see, the price is ranging inside this rectangle. So I'm gonna give you other examples of this rectangle continuation pattern. As you can see that it's composed of the highs and lows, two comparable highs and two comparable lows, can be connected to form two parallel lines that makes up the top and the bottom of a rectangle. Rectangles are sometimes referred to as trading range, consolidation zones, or congestion areas. You may notice also that there are similarities between the rectangle and the symmetrical triangle. While both are usually continuation patterns, they can also mark trend significant tops and bottoms. As with the symmetrical triangle, the rectangle pattern is not complete until a breakout has occurred, and sometimes clues can be found. So, in general, rectangle represents a trading range that pits the bulls against the bears as the price near support. Buyers step in and push the price higher as the price near resistance. Bears take over and force the price lower. Nimble traders sometimes play those balances by buying near support and selling near resistance. Uh, so that's how rectangle works. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and see you on another video.